In this video, I'm going to be showing how to disable the auto power off option on the LG Smart TV. With the auto power off option on, the TV will actually turn off automatically if the user does not operate the TV or remote control for a certain period of time. For example, if it's after 4 hours and you don't operate the TV after that period of time, the TV turns off automatically. So let me show you how to disable that. This is what you're going to do. You're actually going to get the LG Smart TV remote, press the home button so that you can have this display. Okay, yeah, that's right there, the home button. Then you have this display, then you press OK on the settings icon right there. Then you see this, you're going to press OK as well on settings up right there as shown by the arrow. Then you'll see this picture, sound, general, support. Okay, so you're going to go to general, press OK, and then you see accessibility, move down, move down, move down. Okay, to energy saving right there. So you press OK on energy saving, and then you should see the auto power off option down right there. Currently it's set to 4 hours. So you press OK right there, and then please, you can see 2, 4, 6, 8. So move up to off option, press OK on off, and then you see this, make sure you go to the yes option and then press OK. Okay, yep, press OK. And now we've been able to disable the auto power off option on the LG Smart TV. If you like such content, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel.